Records obtained by CBS 2 show as many as 20,000 guns could inundate the streets of New York following today's decision. And now a high-ranking NYPD source tells CBS 2 it could take the city years to comply. CBS 2 political reporter Marcia Kramer has been following it all. She joins us with a story you'll see only on CBS 2. Marcia.
Well, Mary, the NYPD already has a 4-point plan to try to limit both the number of guns and the places it will be legal to bring them now that the Supreme Court has overturned our strict gun laws. On the other hand, more people may try to seek and get guns.
The NYPD has always been quite careful about who they give permission to carry guns, and that has really kept the number of people carrying guns lawfully way down.
Richard Aborn of the Citizens Crime Commission is right when he says the NYPD has been careful and some say admirably stingy when it comes to issuing gun permits that allow New Yorkers to carry concealed weapons on the streets of New York City. CBS 2 has learned that at present only about 1,700 people have the right to carry a gun when they leave home. 1,400 more have carry licenses issued by other counties that need New York City endorsement to carry in the 5 boroughs. The big worry is the people who have been issued permits to have guns in their homes, which can also be used on a firing range. Conceivably, they could be turned into concealed carry permits because of the Supreme Court decision. CBS 2 has learned that 16,462 city residents have so-called premise residence permits, 773 have premise business permits, and 2,403 have carry guard permits that can be carried while working but have to be left at the place of business at the end of the shift. John Miller, NYPD Deputy Commissioner for Intelligence and Counterterrorism, tells CBS 2 in a memo that a ruling against New York does not mean that you wake up in the morning of the ruling and the premise permit magically turns into a carry. Depending on the ruling, it could take New York a year or two to implement, Miller says, especially if the court allows New York to limit the places a gun can be carried, so-called sensitive places.
So the question becomes, what constitutes a sensitive place? So I think there's some obvious ones. Places where large numbers of people gather, mass transit, the subway, stadiums, theaters, movie theaters, probably schools, probably houses of worship.
Is it going to be Miss Kitties on Gunsmoke? Check your guns at the door, Miller asks. The reality is that other states have gone to unrestricted carry licenses, have had a shared experience of people who can't bring them in certain places, leaving them in cars, and the guns being stolen in car break-ins. That just recycles legal guns into the hands of criminals.
There is a question about whether or not the city will be able to restrict people from locking guns in their car. That's important because the thing we don't want to do is encourage an increase in car break-ins.
So now the NYPD and the mayor will have to figure out how to adjust their permit rules. Richard Aborn says another concern is whether relaxed permit rules spark a demand for new permits from people who now don't own a weapon. Meanwhile, Governor Hochul is expected to quickly call a special session of the legislature to deal with the ruling. Mary?
So much to go through right now. Thank you so much, Marcia, for that exclusive report.